Hello everyone. In order to quickly calculate age in Microsoft Excel, first of all, you will need to use a formula called today, and secondly, you need some other date, which is the birthday, and you are using the formula called DATEDIF, which stands for date difference. Here you set the initial date, which is the birthday, and today's date, and then you type Y, which stands for years. In that logic, you can calculate full years of each person in your list. Also, you can type YM and you shall get the full months. And the same logic for days by typing YD. If you combine those three, you shall get total age written like this. And in order to calculate days before next birthday, which you can use for your employees, not to miss it, you can use the following formula, which you can find in the description of the video. And another small thing about the date is that if you just copy today's date and paste it as a number, you shall see that this number would be 45,282, and that is the number of days which has passed from the 1st January 1900. So that means that if we just type 1 and change the format to date, you shall get the 1st January of 1900. That's it, thank you.